And now the starting lineup of the BFP Lady Firefighters. Outside hitter number 4, Fire Officer 1, Tony Diaz. Middle blocker number 6, Fire Officer 1, AJ Mamangun. Setter number 2, Fire Officer 2, Ban Susmilio. Opposite spiker number 8, Fire Officer 2, Gang Abellana. Open spiker number 17, Fire Officer 1, Ben Spente. Middle blocker number 18, Fire Officer 1, Fanny Adolfo. And libero number 14, Fire Officer 1, May Magpantay. Head coach for the Lady Firefighters is Fire Officer 3, Maylin, France, and Bautista. UVL fans, let's get ready to serve, spike, and set. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Win in Sports and Win for Charity.
There you have it. It's Lai, Dili-Dili, Tubiera, Cerezo, Sinday, Sabas, and Vinluan para sa Lady Defenders. And on the other side for the Lady Firefighters, it's Diaz, Mamangun, Hosmilio, Abellana, Bentic, Adolfo, and their libero is May Magpantay. Win and win. Win for sport, win in sports, win for charity. Itong inyong UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Chicky Reyes with Ana Remulla, Kanda. And completing our broadcast team, of course, we got Miss Rina Camara, Dana De Guzman, and even our Coliseum announcer, Tiffany Fran. Solid ang lineup natin ngayong araw na ito. Happy Sunday sa lahat ng viewers.
And kanina, no, bago mag-umpisa yung game, damang-dama rin natin yung energy at excitement nitong dalawang teams. Yung mga sumusuporta sa kanila on the side, no, habang tinatawag ang kanilang mga pangalan.
And remember, yung Senate would like to bounce back from that defeat because kung nakuha nila yun, sila yung, if I'm not mistaken, solo third. Ano ngayon, angat eh. While BFP would like to get win number 8. But they start the set with a service error.
Sometimes, alam mo, yung mga umpisang ganito, it kind of dictates yung kanilang pace, no? How quick they will be, how aggressive they will play.
Malaking bagay din talaga if you're coming off a win tapos namamayagpag ka sa ibabaw, ano? And yun yung ibabandera mo to your opponents. Let's see. I've seen the Senate bounce back a lot of times in the past. 1-0 tayo, set number 1. And unfortunately for Dili-Dili, hindi yung mabot sa kabila yun.
Early error, pero acknowledging that error, importante ngayon, makapag-receive sila ng maayos right away.
That's the second service error for the Lady Firefighters. So, tabla tayo 2-all. Alam mo, feeling ko ito yung Sunday syndrome.
unang laro pa no? Unang laro.
Hindi pa nagigising yung mga wisyo ng ating mga manlalaro dito. That soft touch there. Butas yung gitna.
Very, both teams taking their time as we start this first set. We've seen early errors. Yun nga, sabi mo, no, baka hindi pa nagigising ng sobra.
Tandaan po ninyo, unang laro natin, and that's a third service error there. Unang laro natin, alas 12 ng tanghali ito. Magandang tanghali po sa mga nanonood. Tama ba ako? Yung 3 points ng...
it's service errors.
No?
And may service error itong BFP.
So block at the net. At baka ito na yung makapag-ignite dito. Let's see. 4-3 BFP lamang ng isa.
They need someone to break that chain of service errors.
And that will be a point for the Senate. Check ball. Let's see that again. Minsan di mo kailangan ng power talaga. No?
Oo. Nang hinayang din si Diaz doon, no? Hindi yan nakuha.
Cross court. It's out. So BFP trying to find their groove here. Pero tama ka, when you start on the wrong foot, sometimes that dictates your game, no?
And you know what we haven't found for BFP is that switch.
So good hit coming from AJ. Good timing, single coverage, no problem.
Hopefully that is the switch para dito sa BFP.
Mabalik lang yan ng Senado. Ito na ang Lady Firefighters. They're gonna try again. Will they go to AJ once more? Ooh, anong nangyari doon?
A double called on that set. Clearly a spin. Ang hirap pag gumagalaw ka, no? Tapos magsiset ka ng bola. Really challenging.
And it happens even to the best of them, di ba?
Yes,
I mean, Josmilio is already an import and sometimes nangyayari talaga yun. 6-5, send it up by a point. And now they're up by 2 points.
And for Team Senate, who is now up by a point, syempre, they would welcome all of these errors. Nahirapan man silang pumuntos. Talagang itong mga giveaway na to mula sa BFP, really helping them.
As they would say, no, and a point is a point.
Yes.
In whatever form.
6 out of the 7 points of Senate actually coming from the errors of BFP.
And for sure, si head coach Bautista, no, ng BFP, po-point out siya mamaya pag nag-usap yung mga yan. 7-6. Lamang pala na isa ang Senate. Wow. Ano yung count na natin?
Ako,
4?
ang ating service errors, oo.
4 na yata, ano?
Itong, there is something about that service line para dito sa BFP. Can't seem to get that control.
Sa inyo ba sa larong volleyball may pahiyang din? Pag malas ka on one side, you're aching to go to the other side.
Alam mo, hindi ako naniniwala.
Ako din eh.
Siguro yan, it would matter sa beach volleyball kasi may factor ng hangin.
Oo.
Dito siguro pag sa ganito indoor ilaw, pero pantay-pantay naman yan
Wala
sa
ka na
loob.
pwedeng i-reklamo dyan. Ano? Okay, ito hindi tayo mag-reklamo dahil si Dana, merong balita sa atin. Dana, go ahead.
PKNM, for today's game, 3 players will be missing the game for BFP. This is their team captain, Marky Marcaida and Len Valenzuela, due to officer commitments. And some of their imports then na si Chris Madalogdog ay due to their sickness. Kaya naman for today's match, the sitting team captain for today will be Bans Osmilio, who is their setter. At sabi nga niya sa kanyang mga teammates ay for this game, hindi lang 100% ang kanilang ibibigay, kundi 200% ang kailangan nila. Sabi nga nila, in fact, dun sa laban nila kontra Judiciary, kahit sila ay nanalo, ay hindi sila ganun kasatisfied sa kanilang laro. Kaya naman this game, titriplehin pa nila ang kanilang effort para manalo kontra sa Senado. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Dana. You like that mentality. We're not gonna be contented even if we're coming off a win. Pero depleted na pala itong Lady Firefighters.
And it could be, a big factor as to why the team is also adjusting. Kung nasanay kang naglalaro yung certain set of players, and all of a sudden, sabi mo nga, depleted, kulang ng mga manlalaro, may adjustment talaga nangyayari.
Pero kung ikaw naman, yung mga ibang manlalaro, as you take a look at that last sequence, and your number is called, you have to step up to the plate and respond, okay?
Gotta step up.
Oh, let's listen in dito sa huddle ng Lady Firefighters.
Ito na errors natin, guys. Ibuwasan na. Yung service nyo. Parang hindi kayo magkakakilala sa loob. Hindi naman yan tinitrain natin, di ba? Laro nang hindi nag-i-ensayo, laro nang ngayon lang nagkakakilala. 4 na buwan na tayong magkakasama. Bawi tayo. 3 yan. Balik nyo yung sigla sa loob, ha? Tulong tayo. Tulong. Pag nalalamangan tayo, sige lang. Hindi pa naman tapos yung haba-haba pa niyan. Mag-adjust, mag-anticipate. Kaya yan. Let's go! Fire! Fighters!
Well,
Dito.
head coach Bautista said it all. 4 na buwan na tayong magkakasama, parang hindi tayo magkakakilala. Lagyan natin ng sigla. kulang na lang sabihin ni Coach, gising.
Gising kayo guys, pero yun, pinag-uusapan din yung errors no? That is very painful. 7 error, no? Nakita naman natin, nakita natin, we've observed yung at the service line na yun, in full control ka. You weren't forced by the opponent to commit that mistake. So sayang itong mga naipamigay.
Malaki yun na 70% of the production ng Senate galing sa pagkakamali ng BFP. Let's see. Isa pa to, no, I would hear from veteran volleyball players like you and analysts like you. Sa volleyball, dapat selfish ka.
Oo, it's all mine. Yan, sabi mo, mine.
Hindi pwedeng yours.
Usap, oo. Bawal ang yours. Mapapalo sa puwet. Unless, syempre, mali na ang posisyon mo.
Pero kanina, naghintayan yung Senado doon.
Yes, oo.
10-8, Senate still up by 2, however. They get a chance to score again and increase their lead to 3 if they can score. And they do. 11-8. Ang ating inyong lady defenders off to a good start here.
Remember, we did talk about the first meeting, no, of these teams. Yung kanilang unang pagkikita, it was 4 sets. Ang unang set na ipanalo ng Senate.
So parang ano ba to? Repeat? Deja vu?
Maaari?
Diba? Pero kung
gustong baguhin ng Senate yan,
kung ikaw ang
syempre.
BFP, sige, kunin mo yung first. Akin ulit yung 2, 3, 4. Pero kung ikaw Senado, naku, kailangan namin to.
Bawi ang gusto nila. And I think, no, if you're looking at the situation at the moment, ang may advantage is Senate in a way kasi sila intact.
Yes.
It's an intact lineup. But tulad nga ng report kanina, dito depleted yung, or kulang, no? Hindi kompleto itong BFP.
Back to the Lady Firefighters. They set it up. AJ, she has been, I would believe, the most consistent attacker here for BFP.
And yung kanyang presence in front must really be maximized. Pero bago nila magawa yan, they need to make sure maganda ang kanilang passing.
Dalawang coverage yun. Balik sa mga nakaputi. Another chance here for BFP. And they score again. Now we're tied at 11.
This is a steadier, more organized movement we are seeing from BFP. More deliberate and intentional yung kanilang pagpuntos na talagang hinahanapan ng butas yung depensa ng kabilang side.
White shirts looking to score. Iba na talaga ang matangkad at mahaba ang mga galamay.
Great timing over there.
And we were talking off the air, no, apart from seeing the bubbly demeanor of our players, you gotta love the different hairdos din or hairstyles, ano? Like AJ with the classic, ano ba yan, ponytail, pigtails?
Pigtails, oo.
Pero hindi pa rin natin alam ano
iba-ibang version.
Anong tawag sa style ni Vans. Now we'll try to figure that out later on. 12 all. Pinanggigilan ni Gang yung bola. Lead goes back to the Senate.
Poor throw and she knew it.
Yeah. So tabla tayo sa 13. Ito na ang Senado. Wow, ang lakas naman nung palo ni Menchie Tubiero there.
That is what we have been waiting for. Yung baka yun, yung energy na yun, ano, masustain nila dito on the side of Senate.
Back to a 1-point lead here for the Senate. They can increase that to 2. Tubiera sends it back over. Bentig with the left hand. Babalik lang yan sa Senado. Ang ganda naman nung net coverage na yon.
This is BFP working on their defense, not just on their floor defense, pati yung kanilang net defense, double block. At talagang alam mo na pinag-aralan din. They are anticipating Tubiera.
I love the hops of Bentic. No? Not the tallest of the players here. Pero taas tatalon. Back to the white shirts. Tabla tayo sa 14. Inaangguluhan lang yon ni Menchi. One more time for the Lady Firefighters. AJ. Almost a pointer for live. Gandang floor defense. Mahabang rally na natapos sa outside na hit ni AJ.
Oh, si AJ actually ganda ng pwesto pero nakita niya may blocker siya. No? Kailangan niya ilihis.
I'm a fan of those who could really, yung ibinabaling yung tira, no? Pero kailangan kalkulado mo rin.
Oh, it's a skill. Especially, usually kung outside hitter ka at magko-cross court ka, ang laki ng area mo. But if you're in the middle, the accuracy is really needed. Dahil nasa gitna ka na lang eh. Mas maiksi yung pwedeng daanan ng bola.
I think more than the angle, yung power na ilalagay mo, no?
And yung adjustment. Because they adjust mid-air.
Oo. Eh, tumalo na nga lang para tamaan yung bola. Mahirap na. I-adjust mo pa. And I'm speaking out of experience here, and I tried. But I failed. That's why nood at cover na lang ako ng volleyball. Okay, Dana, I'm sure natatawa ka sa kwento ko. Anong meron mo sa amin? Go.
Chiki and Ann, kanina nga aminado daw ang Team Senate na hirap silang makumpleto during their trainings. Kaya naman, ang sabi ng kanilang veteran na import na si Sheila Cecilio, ngayong week daw ay talagang nag-adjust sila, in-adjust nilang oras ng kanilang ensayo para lang makumpleto ang team at mapagtuunan ng pansin ng kanilang communication at defense sa loob ng court. Ngayong nakikita natin, medyo gumanda na nga ang galaw ng Senado at nakakakuha na rin sila ng lamang versus BFP. Makabalik na kaya sila sa kanilang winning column this game? Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Dana. And yes, no, ganda nung pagkakabanggit mo. Pero I think apart from that, na ginagawa ng Senate na magandang laro ngayon, baka after ng tournament, kailangan nila magpahinga, no? May naman akong Airbnb dyan sa may Zambales, eh.
Thank you for the plug.
Ano nga tawag doon?
Costa Zambali.
Costa Zambali, okay?
Pagka operational na, sasabihan kita.
Ayan, sasabihan kayo ni Anne Remulla.
Good na yun. Good for rest and recovery.
Lalo na pag natapos ang torneo. Okay.
But you know, in truth talaga, all of these athletes would need that time for recovery.
Of course, yes. So, and that would be a good venue there. 17-15. Looking at the score right now, yes, and BFP is there. But you gotta like what itong kagat ng Senate ngayon dito sa first set, ano?
Yes, actually, alam mo, kanina binabanggit natin, no, marami sa puntos nila, actually, errors ng BFP. But you know, if you look at the numbers as well, ano, mas mababa ang nagiging errors dito sa side ng Team Senate, which means that somehow they're able to control.
Yes.
They're able to manage. Kahit pa sabihin nila na yun, hindi sila masyado nakakapag-ensayo together.
And that is a living testament there, I believe. Sabas with a hit. Lamang sila ng tatlo, 18-15. And they're looking good as we reach the tail end of set number 1. Adolfo.
This should be a good rotation for Team Senate with Sabas in front. She is the highest scorer at the moment with 4.
You gotta love that exchange between Sinday and Coach Roger there. Natawa na lang eh. Mali yung basa. Tama yung basa, sorry. Mamaya gusto ko ma-mic up din si Coach Roger.
Of course. Yan ang inaabangan natin, yung mga niya, linyahan. Speaking of linyahan, ayan, with the effort of trying to keep that ball alive.
And good smile on Dili-Dili's face, James. Hindi nakapreno. Bagsak ang mga A-board natin. Ganyan ang action dito. Sa UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. 19-16. White shirts up by 3. Diaz. One more time for BFP. Uy. Hindi sila nagkausap doon.
But also a misset actually, going towards the attack line.
Alam mo yung observation ko, naibabalik naman ng Lady Firefighters. Pero parang hindi kargado, walang diin. So madali yung pick up ng Senate for the first ball eh.
And yun parang narinig ka, sabi niya, ganito ba? Pero
Yeah.
may nakaabang na depensa. But I think you rightfully pointed it out. The quality of returns, mas less aggressive on the side of BFP earlier.
Unlike yung last two na nakita natin na kargado, sometimes yung kanilang balik, ang daling kunin eh. And then, you don't want if you're on the side of BFP, to have that easy second ball.
So more, substitution, the side of BFP. I think ito really trying to secure itong kanilang lead and ensuring, and not the lead rather, but gusto nilang makahabol sa lead ng Senate.
Kasi pwede pa yan 2017, only 3 points.
But if you're on the side of Senate, you would want to protect this lead at si Sabas with some luck. And a little help from the net, nakakuha ng puntos.
Sabi nga ng mga eksperto, di ba? Hindi mo matatalo ang swerte. Kasi ang galing, pwede mong pantayan eh.
Tsaka yung mga sumasabit na ganyan sa net, yan yung mahirap makuha, mahirap basahin.
Tawag ko dyan, kakampi mo ang net.
Minsan kakampi, minsan hindi. Yun lang.
No. Lalo na di ba sa mga service, pag yung nag-aabang, biglang tatamas, papasok.
Hirap.
Naku po. 22-17, it's a 5-point lead now for the Senate. Interestingly, let's try to listen in kung ano nga pag-uusapan dito ng Lady Firefighters.
Diba, masyadong mabigat sa loob eh. Pwede pagaan-gaanin. Ayang kaya pa yan, Hanggat walang pitong mahabang-mahaba, hindi pa yan tapos, ha? Let's go. Pwede diretso. Gapangin natin. Ano bang nangyayari? Parang hindi tayo magkakakilala sa loob. Huwag lang laruin. Kung pwede igapang. Ha? Magtiwala kayo sa sarili nyo, guys. Diyos ko, parang nawawala yung tiwala nyo sa sarili nyo. Tara, guys. Let's go, guys. Tara, guys.
Mama, nag-iisip sa labas, tapon niyo muna.
Huwag nang delay sa loob kasi ang bigat. Let's go, Far!
On point, si Coach Bautista. Sabi niya una, parang ang bigat ng pakiramdam sa loob. And then I heard one of the coaches say, kung ano mang iniisip nyo ngayon, tapon nyo muna sa labas.
Yun ang pinaka-importante dahil yung focus talaga dapat ay nandito. And I think at this point, especially dun sa kanilang kalagayan, kung saan lamang ang Team Senate, ang mindset dapat bawi agad.
Oo. And nothing to take away against Senate. Sila naman, yung kabila, kita mo yung focus,
Tsaka yung the composure,
Yes, agree. Abeliana, look at that, heeding to the call. And this could be the start of their run here. Dan making sure of that one. They're down by 4 points. Aray ko. Yun lang. So, di natin alam kung pang-8, pang-9 na error na yan.
But nakakarami na ng error talaga on the side of BFP. Alam na natin sa susunod nilang training. Marami-raming oras yung gugugulin nila sa kanilang serves.
Mukhang alam ko na itsura ng ensayo nila. Oo. Ilan nga?
Well, right now, opponents errors yung puntos ng Senate, there are 14 na nagmumula sa BFP errors. Malalaman natin later kung ilan out of those 14 errors siguro yung service.
Naku po, 14 na error na, Aray ko. Alright, looking at the score right now, 23-20. Pwede pa to. Sabi ni Coach Bautista, hanggat hindi naririnig yung mahabang pito, hindi pa tapos ng laban. At the net, AJ delivers again. And don't look now, dalawa na lang to. Dalawa na lang inahabol ng BFP. And it's time to listen to Coach Roger.
Hindi ka rin nagsasalita dyan. Ay, hindi tayo pwede ng ganyan. Naghahabulan sa bola eh. Buti kung mag-isa ka lang dyan, talagang wala. Mag-uusap kayo, nasasayang lang. Sayang yung hirap nyo. Communication lang, yun lang. Tapos receive. Kontrolin mo. Huwag mong ibato yung bola para yung bola hindi umabot doon sa kabila. Nag-aalanganin eh.
Kape tayo, kape.
Wala. Kape.
Isang magandang receive, ha? Isang magandang receive. Kunin na natin to, ha? Okay? 1, 7!
Alam mo, pakiramdam ko,
Huwag tayo madedemoralize. Huwag madedemoralize. Focus lang.
mabait pa si Coach Roger.
Oo nga
Hindi
eh.
pa nag-iinit.
Hinihintay. Pero bakit naman hindi? Lamang sila sa ngayon, di ba? So, medyo relax pa. Relax pa. Pero sa ngayon, again, marami dun sa puntos. 6 out of the 14 giveaways ay service error. So, buti si Diaz nakapagpasok ng service. I think ang maganda sa ginagalaw ng Senate, aside from that error from Tubiera, is that sa ngayon, they only have 3, I think now 4 giveaway points. Error. So, mas mababa ang laki ng disparity as opposed to the 14 na i-mention nga natin sa BFP.
Ngayon, matetesting ang tibay ng dibdib dito ng Senate dahil humahabol ang BFP. Let's see if they can tie it. Uh-oh! We are tied at 23 and all of a sudden, nag-iba ang ihip ng hangin.
Oo, ito yung sinasabi nating kapit. Kumakapit itong BFP right when they need it the most. Meanwhile, ang inaabangan nating response from Senate, they had the lead earlier. At they have a good rotation as well, ano?
But that might be what, the 7th service error?
It is.
Sabi mo 6 o 14 kanina, di ba?
Ngayon, 7 service errors. 7 out of the 15 na naitala dito sa BFP ay at the service line.
Let's see if they can tie. Gang goes up. And that check ball means we're going extended set. Happy Sunday to all of you.
No one giving up as we have expected. We did mention this at the top of the coverage.
Alam mo, okay lang. Linggo naman, di naman traffic.
Oo.
Masaya tayo dito.
Saka para sulit din yung punta ng ating team.
Oo naman. Balik ang kalamangan sa Lady Defenders. And the Chichi scoring on that one. Crucial dito, first ball. Kung maitatawid ni Tubiera ang service.
We've seen more consistency from Senate with their serves until binati ko. Until nabati ko nitong huli.
Kaya nga, inaabangan ko na habang tinatapos mo yung pangungusap mo eh. Eto na.
Yun na yun eh. Hindi ko sinasadya, Benji. Sinasabi ko lang naman na consistent yung inyong serves today.
Uh-oh! That's a problem when maghuhulaan between Tubiera and Dili-Dili. Now, BFP is at set point. Let's see. Ang kanilang problema dito, 7 service error na. Naitawid. Tatabla ba ang Senate? Or makukuha ng BFP ang set na ito? It goes back to the Lady Firefighters. Bentik. Set up by Lai. Tabla ulit tayo sa 26.
You see the effort of both teams, very steady. Most just yung porsyento na play lang, porsyento na set.
Pero minsan yun yung nakakatakot, yung pag sigurista ka na.
Dahil dito rin, abang na, basang-basa. Everything is just so sure. Alam na ng BFP, ibibigay kay Sabas. Alam din dito ng Senate kung kanino na isiset on the side of BFP.
So parang naghihintay lang sila. Sino bang titiklop? Naku po! Yun lang. Yun lang. So, you were saying na control lang service errors. Pero dito sa bandang dulo, nagpapile up ng konti for the Senate.
Could also be a bit of yung syempre may pressure na at this point also.
Set point muli for BFP. Let's see. Menchie sends it back. Chance here for the Lady Firefighters. But no! We are tied at 27.
Adolfo, masyadong nilakasan ang opensa.
May hula ako. Mga 37-35 to.
Literal na mag-uunahan sila.
Hula ko lang hula ko lang. Dahil magandang palitan eh. Nalamang na ulit ang BFP dahil kay Diaz, 28-27. So ito na. On deck to serve is Vance.
Ito yung pinag-uusapan natin. Yung kanyang pigtails version number 2.
Oo nga.
Ibang version sa kanilang team.
Malaman nga mamaya yan. Magaya ko nga. Matagal.
Hintayin ko yun,
Matagal-tagal pa. Ooh, I think that one's in. No, it's out. Oh, it's out.
So much wasted points para dito sa BFP.
28 all. And unang laro pa lang natin, unang set pa lang ito. Sabas on deck to serve for the Lady Defenders. And it goes out. Tit for tat here.
And you know, on the side, you see the frustration of Coach Roger Gorayeba. Nagkakamot na siya ng ulo. Ano nangyayari dito sa mga players niya, no?
Alam mo, pareho sila ni Coach Bautista, no? Si Coach naman dito sa BFP Gising. Sa kabila, si Coach, ano pang nakain niyo?
Mamaya, panggigigilan na yung mga players. Isang maayos na laro lang. Let's see, Tubiera.
Chance here for BFP. Diaz sends it home. And they get set number 1 in extended fashion and 30-28. What a comeback for BFP.
Slow start, but again, when it mattered the most, doon natin nakita yung kanilang kapit.
Nakita na may open na zone 5. Corner pocket, different angle, same result. Boom. Goes to that open space. 30-28. And comeback victory ito no, in set number 1 para sa Lady Firefighters. Medyo flat yung start nila eh. Couple of errors here and there. Yet, they get it. We'll find out how many minutes, but again, 30-28 in favor of BFP. Minutes, Ana, yung ating unang set. Hindi unang laro, unang set. 30-28. Nakakuha pa yan ng Lady Firefighters.
Oh, napahaba ng konti kasi medyo mabagal yung umpisa, no? But yun nga yung sabi natin, siguro medyo parang diesel. Took them a while to warm up, but looking at the numbers for set number 1, you know, clearly, lamang na lamang ang BFP pagdating sa opensa. 9 lang ang Senate, 18 yung kanila. Blocking, lamang din sila. Aces, halos pantay lang. Pero, kung titignan natin yung opponent errors, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina. If they scored 18 attack points, 17 na offset sa kanilang error. So, it has been a tough first set for BFP. I think a lot of things to learn from. On the side of Senate naman, I think they need to expect that in the second set, susubukan ng BFP magbawas ng error. So ngayon, yung opportunity to score the points, yun yung kailangan nilang itaas. Dahil dito, hindi sila nag-double digit pagdating sa kanilang opensa.
And I'm sure Coach Roger nag-remind dyan. Yung mga ganong pagkakataon na flat ang umpisa ng isang 7-2 na or 7-3 no, na team, dapat pinagsasamantalahan yan eh. Imagine mo, we were counting 17 errors. 7 of those tama ba from the service area, no? Parang ganyan, di ba? And that's a lot.
That is a lot. So ang ano dito, it was a wasted opportunity to take advantage dun sa dun sa mabagal na umpisa ng kalaban. But we'll see how things change here in the second set?
At hindi ako magtataka kung ang BFP ay didiin dito sa second set para dagdagan lang ng pressure. Now, ang tanong dito for the Senate, yung kanilang resiliency, no? Yung kanilang tibay ng dibdib on how to counter that. They get the first point. Talking about the ladies in white here in set number 2. One-on-one sa net, buhay pa rin ang bola. You gotta love that. You gotta love that. Left hand na loko yung defender doon.
Minsan talaga, all you need is to really know. Saan ko ba gusto dalhin yung bola? Hindi rin pwedeng palo ng palo, balik ng balik.
2-0. Great net defense once again coming from Sabas.
Gustong bumawi agad-agad ng Senate. And ito yung, this is what we pointed out earlier, ano, na ang kailangan gawin ngayon ng Team Senate in set number 2 is to really put matters into their own hands. They need to score the points, and that's what Sabas is doing right here.
That service error gives BFP its first point here in set number 2. O yung unang tungtong sa service area, error lang ang naibigay dito ng BFP. So 4-1 ang ating score. Ja with a good serve. It's an ace.
This is why, no, yung service line talaga very, very important. You are able to, yes, of course, score a point, or at least kung medyo kargado yung serve mo, masisira mo yung play ng kalaban.
Balik sa orange shirts. They're down by 4. Javen. Oh, that ball is still alive.
Oh! But you know, you gotta give credit to Cecilio, ha? Dahil in that series earlier, talagang siya yung habol ng bola, and you hear how vocal she is. Sinasabi niya, oh, dito ka, akin to.
Masarap pag may ganun kang leader, no? O kakampi, dahil it rubs off, eh. And I like how Sheila is killing that first ball. Pinapatay yung karga. Just enough for the setter, si Ja, to get it.
That is very important. Maybe something na hindi madalas na highlight, but how you absorb the ball para yung setter hindi rin mahirapan.
Lalo na yung mga mabibilis na serbisyo, di ba? Cecilio sends it back. Pero ang Senado, 4 ang kalamangan dito. Chance here for BFP to cut that lead down to 3 if they score. Ball still alive. Cross court, it's in.
Good return by Diaz. Former FEU player.
Ganda nung pagkakabasa dun, eh, no?
Minsan yung ganung bagay, basta ibalik mo lang. And in her case, went for that angle.
Good floor defense by the orange shirts. Ganun din naman itong mga nakaputi. Sabas. AJ goes to the back, it's out.
She was underneath the ball in that attempt.
Now I'm liking this second set, dahil nagpapaluan na yung dalawa, eh. Hindi pumupuntos out of mistakes.
Oh, nag-iba yung tempo, no, nung game. Now they are trying to check if tama yung kanilang rotation. That is something that you can do, no? You can check with our officials kung tama ba yung inyong rotation, yung inyong posisyon.
And you gotta give credit to team captain Dili Dili for voicing that out. Buhay pa. Akala nila tapos na yung bola doon. Cecilio sends it back. Good floor defense there by Sabas. And that was too huge of a space for Gang. Ganda nung target. Butas talaga eh.
Definitely more quality attacks, no? We're seeing here at the early part of the second set.
That's about a foot beyond the line. So it's a service error for BFP. And we'll send you over to Dana de Guzman for this report. Go ahead, Dana.
Chiki, yan ang kanina ay nakakwentuhan ko si Banzo Osmilio, setter ng BFP. Kung lucky charm nga ba niya ang kanyang hairstyle ngayon. Sabi niya, noong unang games daw nila ng BFP ay isa lang ang kanyang ipit ng buhok. Pero napansin niya nung simula daw na dalawa na ang iniipit niya sa kanyang pigtails ay nanalo sila mula Senado. Ito ang unang pagkapanalo nila, kaya naman simula noon ay dalawa na ang kanyang tinatali sa buhok. Balik sa inyo.
Dana, maraming salamat for sharing that with us. And alam mo, pag sa next game, nakita ko 3 to. Ibig sabihin, 1 for each set, ano?
Ay.
Siguro. Pero pigtails pa rin ang tawag nila doon, ano?
Okay. So, pigtails pa rin. Pero nakakatuwa. I mean, ayan yung mga, minsan may mga paniniwala talaga. Yung mga belief na, ito ang aking swerte.
Did you ever have that during your playing?
Alam mo, wala.
Yung ganong pamahiin na kailangan itong...
More routine.
Routine.
Routine. No?
Hindi yung medyas na ito, lucky socks, walang ganon.
Baka magalit si coach pa ganon.
Okay. Pero meron kang routine.
Routine, yes. So,
Pati yung kinakain.
Oo.
Kita mo na, meron pa rin. Yan ang mga manlalaro talaga.
Oo,
okay.
diba?
So tingnan natin kung itong hairdo ni Osmilio will be lucky again. 9-6 so far. Senado ang swerte rito sa set number 2. Sabas goes to the back. Balik ulit sa orange shirts. Javen again, off speed. Labanan ng tapikan lang dito. Yun madalas kong makita, although it goes out. Pag panayang malapitan lang, biglang all of a sudden somebody will try to go to the back. Ano?
And yun lang, yung control nga. And I think the common adjustment that is needed that we're seeing, at least yung mga lumalabas na yun, mapapansin mo, nasa ilalim yung mga umaatake. So it's a difficult angle.
9-7, just a 2-point lead for the ladies in white. And that's going to be another point again for BFP. It's 8 serving 9. Good serve ni Bentic. Chance for BFP to tie. And they do. Ito na. Kumakatok na ulit sa pintuan ng Senate.
You really cannot slow down. Again, dito nothing fancy. It's really just going for efficiency. Yan ang ginagawa ng BFP. Ngayon ang tanong, no, ano yung magiging response ng Senate because they have been leading and this has been a better start for them.
And they're taking advantage of Adolfo being in front, di ba?
Oo, yan ang something na gumagana ngayon on the side of BFP. They're calling for a check. We're talking about Senate, pero sabi ng ating official, wala. That is out.
At itong magkatabi na Twin Towers in Diaz and Adolfo, it's doing well here for BFP. Lamang nasira ng isa. Balik sa Senate. Osmilio going to Adolfo. And Sabas has been active here in front.
She is already on her 12-point in this match. No? 10 dun sa 12 puntos na yun galing sa kanyang opensa.
And I'm looking at Javen, may konting hingal.
Because you'll see no, that sometimes sa mga rally, multiple times sa kanya talaga isa-set yung bola.
Tama ka doon. 2, 3 sunod pag bumabalik. It's no joke. I mean, we got a nice flooring here in Paco Arena, good air conditioning. But the fact remains, if you jump 3 in a row, that's gonna take its toll on you.
You will really have to catch your breath. May ano pa yun may depensa or passing pa na kailangan. Di lang yan puro jumping. May blocking pa.
And that's tough. Look at that. We're both looking at Sabas. Hirap. You have Adolfo in front of you. You're scoring and you're also defending.
And I think the tough situation for Senate, if we look at the stats at the moment, it is only Sabas actually that's carrying the load for them. Tubiera may 4 na puntos, si Lai merong 1. Samantala on the side of BFP, maganda yung distribution Si Diaz, nandyan si Mamangon, Abeliana may puntos, si Adolfo may puntos, si Bentic may puntos, mas marami.
Hey, you rattled off all those names. Tama, no? From the first set, we saw AJ setting the tone, diba?
And I think, that is an advantage right now, on the side of BFP.
Osmilio, set up job. And this time around, si Abeliana naman ang kanyang inactivate. And look at that. Tinan mo si Sabas, mag-isang nagwa-wiper dun sa harap. She thought it was gonna be Adolfo and had to go to the left side. 13-11, the lead has gone to the BFP. They're up by 2. Regalo. Kinuha ni Sabas yan.
14 points for Sabas, but they will need support from the others on the court right now as well.
Javen woke up on the right side of the bed. Scoring here for the Senate. You gotta love that. Candice finding that open spot.
This is what we are talking about. Get others involved. Hopefully, tuloy-tuloy para sa Team Senate.
Para manghula din yung depensa, di ba?
Hindi yung nagiging predictable at napakadaling i-predict kung ano mangyayari.
Now, the lead swings back to the Senate, 14-13. Kita mo yung reaction ni Diaz. Nung alam niyang napailalim yata yung palo doon. Ganda ng serve ni Javen. Back to the white shirts. Labanan sa net.
Inisang kamay lang yun ni AJ. Kanina inabot lang.
Anong hula ko dito? 5'11"?
She's one of the taller players here on the side of BFP. Tallest.
Diba?
One of the tallest on the side of BFP.
Dagdag mo pa yung haba ng kamay niya. Naku. Tied at 14 here in set number 2. Cecilio. Back to the white shirts. They go back to Jen. Sabas coming from behind and scoring again.
At also yung if you look at this dig, yung hindi na slow down They weren't able to control that. Mabilis, hindi tuloy nahabol yung second ball.
Gusto mo yung napapatay ng kaunti
Sometimes, yun yung mga bagay na there are things that you need to slow down in a game.
Back to the orange shirts. They're down by a point. Sabas tried to go to the back. It sails out. We're tied at 15. Here we go again. Here in set number 2.
Si Coach Roger, Hindi niya siguro alam kung magagalit ba ako o natawa na lang din siya. Dahil, to be fair, no, Sabas has been doing such an amazing job for Team Senate at the moment. Sabi niya, tao lang coach, nagkakamali din.
Tama ka eh, siya'y bumubuhat dito eh. Cecilio. Gusto mag-ambag. Meantime, Jen will send that back over. And this time around, AJ will be unsuccessful. And we got this report from Dana. Go ahead, Dana.
Chicken, and earlier we have seen action from import and key player Menchie Tubiera. Sabi nga niya, pinagkukunan daw niya ng lakas ang kanyang dalawang anak. Kaya naman hindi problema kay Menchie na bumiyahe mula Pasig hanggang Pasay almost everyday para lang makapag-ensayo kasama ang Senado. Sabi rin niya ay tuwing games daw ay 6:30 AM ay gising na siya para lang makapag-prepare for their game. Sabi niya kailangan daw, importante sa kanya ang mind setting at physical conditioning. Kaya sinisimulan niya ng maaga at 6:30 pa lang talaga namang pinahanda niya na ang kanyang sarili. Balik sa inyo.
Salamat, Dana. And allow me, partner Ann, to, alam kong 1 week nang nakalipas nung Mother's Day, ano? Pero lahat ng mga tulad ni Menchie, ng mga nanay na nagmumultitask, di ba? Nagtatrabaho, naglalaro, nag-aalaga. Sus Mariosep, kayo po ay talagang mga heroes ng tahanan, ha?
Yan, no, diba? Pero that's something that is also very, very inspiring dito sa ating UVL. Makikita mo kadalasan itong mga players natin and their children watching on the side. It's very inspiring to see that your mom, no, is very active and playing, diba? I'm sure that children really feel proud.
Astig ang dating ng nanay
diba?
mo.
Cool nanay ko, naglalaro, nasa TV, diba?
At pagdating sa eskwelahan, yan ang kwento, yan ang bida sa mga kaibigan. 17-16, Senate up by a point. Sabas makes it 2 points up for the Lady Defenders. Ilan na ito?
Itong si Sabas, sabi nga natin, very consistent carrying the load para dito sa Team Senate. 16 points already in this match.
Wow. They're asking for a check ball. It's a check ball.
They get it.
What I like about Sabas, sorry partner, is yung efficiency rate eh. Hindi masyadong marami yung pagkakamali niya.
And yun yung importante, no? Actually, so she did score 16 points. 4 lang yung kanyang error so far in this game, ha?
Oo. Mataas ang porsyento sa kanya. Meantime, Lai, punta ulit kay Sabas. Why not? Why not?
She is on fire. Kanina sabi natin, humahabol ng paghinga. Ito na yung second tweet. Walang pagod-pagod, sabi ni Sabas.
And if you're 4-5 in the middle of the standings, coming off a loss, gusto mong to get that monkey off your back and say, teka lang, dapat last game kasi we could have gotten that eh. 2-point lead for the Senate. Meron kayang panagot dito ang BFP like what they did in set number 1. Oh my, she is on a roll.
Parang nagwa-warm up lang pala siya kanina.
Parang diesel, ano?
Oo, parang diesel. Pero ngayon, ang hinihintay natin yung ibang diesel, yung kaniyang ibang teammates din to also contribute here in this set.
Let's listen in sa huddle ng BFP.
Sabihin niyo sa loob sobrang tigas. Pwede pa lambot-lambutin natin yung mga katawan natin. Ang gaan lang naman ng bola nila. Bawi tayo. 3 lang yan, ha? Sabi ko walang bibitaw. Yes, coach. Yes, mag-focus tayo, mag-focus tayo. Sipagan natin. Isa lang. Tulong lang.
Kaya.
Ayos na, back to basic tayo. Isang receive na maayos. Diya, ikaw nang bahala sa set, ha? Please, pag nabigyan kayo ng chance ang magandang set, paluin nyo na. Let's go. Bawian natin. Bawas error tayo. Tara. Gusto natin manalo, di ba? Yes! Gunners! It's
Ang tanong ko sa iyo, Ann, coming from the words of Coach Bautista, Paano ba palalambutin yung katawan mo?
Pwedeng mag-pressure cooker.
Pwede yan. Tenderizer.
No, but I think it's yung sinasabi lambot-lambutan, na tense kasi sila.
Yun nga eh.
They are so tense that they don't realize na parang hindi sila nakakakilos ng maayos. So,
Tapos may marching orders kay Jaja na ayusin yung pagdidistribute ng bola. They did it in the first set. They were able to mount a comeback. Let's see if they can do it again. Yun yung hinihinging setup job. Magandang first ball. Maayos sa second. Lead is down to 2. If you're the coach, no? At galing ka sa timeout, tapos na-execute mo, sigh of relief na hindi na sayang yung timeout mo.
Oh, at saka yan yung talagang gusto ng mga coaches, yun yung response na gusto mo. Hindi yung pagbalik, ay, mali pa rin.
Disgrasya.
Oh.
Error ulit. May panagot kaya ang Senate. Tinabol ang second ball. Won't be surprised if they go to Javen again. And they do. And they do. And she delivers again.
That double block doesn't bother her. Sabas doing an amazing job there for Senate's offense. 17 attack points. Total of 19 for this match.
19.
Oh, 19. Pero yun lang, walang sumunod sa kanya. Sa kanyang high double digit, ang sumunod na top scorer on the side of Team Senate is Tubiera with 4 points.
Yun na, no? I'm looking at the score sheet nga dito.
Oo, yan ang I think dito makikita natin while Senate is leading, the balance that we're seeing with BFP is better in the sense that there are more players really still part, no? Dun sa kanilang score sheet.
And you're right, in that last sequence, it was Adolfo naman.
Oo, who is a regular employee.
Yes, yes, na nag-ambag doon. 21-19. Diaz goes to the back. Oh, it's out. Unfortunately. So the Senate looking good here. 3 points away. Sabas is on deck to serve. Ganda ng service. Cecilio naman ang sinet up. Ano nangyari? Tumama sa net?
Oh, may net violation. Tumama sa net.
And natawa ako sa reaction.
Oo, parang batang nahuli sa...
With that hand inside the cookie jar. Let's listen in again.
Hinga muna.
Sila nga. Hinga. Buga. Hinga. Para sa beauty.
Sige. Kayang-kaya. Layo pa.
Motivation mag-shopping. Shopping sa hapon. Sige lang.
Pansin niyo yung pattern nila. Sila nandito, yung isa nilang mamamalo nandito, tapos yung isa nilang taga-palo, taga-black. Ang ginagawa nila, yung lahat ng zone nyo, lahat ng zone ng kaliwat kanan, binabantayan na nila. O ngayon, gawan nyo ngayon ng variation. Gawan nyo ng diskarte ngayon kung paano nyo papatayin yung bola. Kung binigyan tayo tapos alam nyo medyo alanganin, paluin lang natin na na tap. Mapasok lang ha. Kunin nyo yan ha, malapit lang yan. Kanina ganyan din.
Tara na! Tara na! Go guys! Fire! Let's go!
Yun yung basaan, na nakikita na doon ng Senate sa dadalhin yung bola. Kaliwat kanan.
Now, ang challenge sa kanila, kailangan yung diskartehan. Let's see. Ito yung sinasabi natin, after the total, how they will respond.
23-19. Good first ball. Yun nga lang, although,
it is a check.
Oh,
yan. That is a good response. Sabi nga kanina, hanapin nyo kung saan nyo dadalhin. Kunin sa ibabaw. At ganun din ang execution, kinuha sa ibabaw.
At dahil sa check ball na yan, 3 na lang ang inahabol ng BFP. May pagkakataon sila dito, ibabayan sa 2. Cross court is good.
Abeliana.
At narinig mo doon sa huddle nila kanina, they said, ganito rin yung nangyari nung first set.
Oo, parang gusto nila yung gantong exciting na, na sitwasyon.
Okay, Coach Roger naman tayo makinig.
Yan na nga, may setter sila maayos na ibibigay kaya nakakapalo yung spiker. Pagka nagkagano may receive, abang nasa depensa. Diagonal ka doon dyan, diagonal din dito. Ito na naman 1923 din yung per set. Ay, under nyo na yan, 24 na yan. Ano bang meron yan, 23 na yan?
Let's go!
Kaya niya,
Let's go! One! Set!
What I like about what Coach Roger said there
Pwedeng sino ba yung bumablock doon?
was in-acknowledge yung setter nung kabila, di ba, na magandang distribution.
At yun din yung pinag-uusapan natin dito, no? Yung sa side ng BFP, everyone, no, yung kanilang, pati yung mga regular players, and that's something really good with their lineup. Kasi ang mga nababanggit natin na iba na pumupuntos dito sa side ng BFP ay regular players. And the expectation kasi usually kapag ikaw yung import, di ba, sa'yo ibibigay. Pero dito, balanse. Lahat nagko-contribute and it works for them. Though, humahabol pa sila sa ngayon.
Oh, and look at that. Cecilio heeding to the call of Coach Roger. Sabi niya kanina, ano ba meron niyang 24 na yan? Abutin na yan, 24 na yan.
At ngayon, iisa na lang ang kailangan ng Team Senate to hopefully get this set.
24-21. May panagot pa kaya ang BFP? Wala! And that means we're tied in set count 25-21 napunta sa Senado.
Oo, but you know, this was a much better showing din naman talaga, no, para sa Team Senate, and Sabas really taking on that challenge ulit na to carry the load for the team, and they successfully get that second set.
Once again, 25-21. Nakuha ito ng Senate Lady Defenders to be able to tie the set count 1 apiece. Unang laro pa lang po natin ito on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. Magbabalik po ang inyong UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Meron kayang panagot dito ang BFP like 28 minutes for set number 2. Napunta yan sa Senado, 25-21. Tanong ko sa iyo, ano nangyari dun sa dun sa BFP? They were pretty much in the game. And what happened? What good thing happened para sa Senado?
You know, I think we did talk about in the first set, that the lady defenders weren't able to get as much points as they needed. Yun ang nagbago dito sa set number 2. Kung titignan natin, pantay na ngayon, no? Pantay na. Atake at blocking talagang naitaas, no, ng lady defenders ang kanilang performance. Ang hindi nakatulong siguro is on the side of BFP, sila naman ang nagkulang dahil ganun pa rin ang problema. Bumaba yung kanilang puntos pagdating sa opensa, pero ang dami pa rin nilang naipamigay na error. Naibaba nila, it's now single digit, but you know, you offset those points with these errors. It really won't help your cause.
Alam mo, yung unang set, di ba, 17?
Oo, 17. Pero marami silang naipuntos na 8, well, offset pa rin siya, no? It's still an offset, but I think in this in that last set, no, second set, yun nga nagising tong Senate Lady Defenders nag-umpisa na silang ma-address ang issue nila na hindi sila makapuntos ng first set.
Yes, agree. Let's see itong third set natin. Sinong makakaungos dito, makakakuha ng kalamangan? Meantime, ang Senado may punto na dito, may point na, 1-0 in third set. And that ball hits the antenna. It's gonna be 1-all. minutes first set, 28 minutes second set. Balik ang bola sa orange shirts. Diaz, cross court. Alam mo yung sinasabi, nauna yung talon sa lundag. Yun yung nangyari doon.
Ganun ang nangyari, oo. Minsan kasi talaga timing, no? Yung, timing really, hindi minsan. Lagi, timing really matters. Wala yan minsan sa taas ng talon.
Although, we've seen it in yung higher level of volleyball. Minsan, pag tumalon, may hang time nagagawan pa ng paraan.
Oo, pero pag hinihila ka ng gravity, yun yung mahirap.
Ayun lang. Tulad sa mga manlalarong tulad ko na madalas hilahin ng gravity pababa. BFP up by 1 here in set number 3, but not for long. We're tied at 2.
Please, Miss Q, no? Sa side ng BFP, sino bang kukuha? Diaz umaatras. Meron namang abante, but that fell right in between the two of them.
Kanina you mentioned hindi pwedeng puro si Sabas. Ano? I'm seeing now Cecilio and Menchi Tobiera together inside. So pwede ito, no? Na sources of points here. Point goes to BFP. Yun. Sabi nga nila, walang makaloloko sa ebidensya.
Oo, kitang-kita.
Pantanosas nakitang nakahawak dun sa net. Yun nga lang. That point will go to BFP. Maraming salamat talaga sa mga kasamahan natin dito sa UNTV.
Oo, hindi pinapabayaan.
Oo.
Ating,
busog.
for energy and
Kung kayo po'y nasa area at wala kayong ginagawa, bring the whole family here in Paco Arena in Manila. Would love to see you here. 4-2, Lady Firefighters up by 2. Pinagalan ni Cecilio ang palo. And it worked. Veteran move, oh.
Oo, si Cecilio kanina, no, parang pigil pa yung kanyang laro. But now, hopefully, madadagdagan yung kanyang puntos. Only 2 points so far in this match. Nabanggit mo si Tubiera also on the floor with 6 points.
And they need those points, ano? Dahil di pa pwedeng si Javen lang ang kakamada para dito sa Senate. Samantala, ang Lady Firefighters, they're up by 2. Something that Coach Bautista has been requesting. Huwag masyadong tense. Relax lang.
Nakapag-pressure cooker siguro, no? Kanina.
Talagyan ng tenderizer.
In between, no?
AJ again. Gandang floor defense ang white shirts. Oh, look at that. Cecilio saying, it's mine. I'm gonna set it up. Oh, nice chase down. Pero yun yung mahirap pag lahat kayo
umabol. Actually, usually sa ganyan may maiiwan. Diba? May maiiwan. Pero ito, lahat sila talaga. At yun, walang tao. Sayang. Good effort though on the side of Diaz and the rest of BFP.
Good that you pointed that out, no? Dun sa mga youngsters na nanonood sa atin. Pag nakita mo nang may humabol, dapat maganda yung spacing para kung sakaling bitin yung return, makukuha pa.
Someone has to be there, ano, para mag-return nung bola.
5-all. Balik sa white shirts, no? Na kay AJ. I love the way she reacts every time she gets a point.
Sweet na sweet lang yung reaction.
Wala lang. Pero pag ilan na ba si AJ? Tingnan nga natin dito. Marami-rami na rin, ano?
Oo, marami-rami na rin si AJ. Let's look at her numbers.
Oh, 12.
7 attack points, 4 na block.
Oh.
Ang kanyang night. May isa pang service ace.
So she's actually leading the point production, ano? Kung di tayo nagkakamali, di ba?
Yes, that is correct. next to her, no, na top scorer sa kanilang team would be Diaz with 9 and also Adolfo with 9 points.
Even point distribution. But that time around, AJ overcooking that one. It goes out. Kung ganyan kasi yung reaction ng player, parang hirap pagalitan kung nagkamali.
Napakabait nung kanyang mga reaction.
Yung demeanor.
No?
Menchie, oh, that was loaded.
Sabi ng Senate, that's what I'm talking about. Yan ang ating inaabangan from Tubiera. She is currently in the front line at nasa left side pa siya. So mahaba-haba pa. Kaya nilang ma-maximize to.
We'll turn you over to Dana for this report.
Chicken Ann, after the second set win, simple lang ang ni-remind ni Coach Roger sa kanyang girls. Kailangan nating manalo ng isa pang set at ng isa pang set para manalo. Yun lang, short but simple, pero this was taken as a challenge by Team Senate para lang mapakita nila kung paano nila sasabayan ang laro ng BFP. Now BFP calls a timeout. Let's listen in.
Tatlo lang yan. Bawi tayo. Nasa sa inyo na talaga yan. Promise kung gusto nyong manalo. Pero kung papatuloy natin yung galaw natin ganyan talaga, hindi tayo mananalo, guys. Di ba? Anong unang plano natin? Unang plano manalo, di ba? Sige. Bawi tayo. Pag nagka-error, huwag naman frustrate. Sabi ko nga, natural yan, volleyball yan eh. May rally talaga. Mauopensahan kayo, madidepensahan kayo. Makinig, huwag tayong ano ba, parang hindi nyo na siniseryoso yung mga sinasabi namin. Tarot!
Uy, mga spiker para makablock kayo.
Bawi tayo.
Kaya, di ba?
Sigla, sigla!
Kaya.
Sigla. Siglahan niya sa loob. Let's go!
Binubulangan tayo.
Pagpapaalala dahil at the end of the day, yung 6
Oo,
nasa loob ang gagawa ng paraan eh.
The execution is always, that is what matters dito sa ano. So yung konting paalala, tignan natin ngayon yung response ng Team BFP.
Sa kabila naman, gusto ko yung na-report ni Dana, no? Some math involved with Coach Roger.
Simple lang naman daw.
+1+1. Then we have 3.
Oo, keeping it simple, di ba? Kailangan manalo.
Isa pa at isa pa.
Isa pa. Ganun lang yun, sabi ni Coach Roger.
10-6, set it up by 4 here in set number 3.
Nagkagulo si Menchie. And there in the middle, at si Felipe, sabi nila, ano ba itong nagkabanggaan?
It's now 7 serving 10. Salvianes and AJ celebrating that one. Dalawa na lang ang hinahabol nila rito.
This set should be an exciting set kasi kailangan natin tandaan, no? Both teams have already won 1 set each.
Unahan to eh, sa set 3 eh.
Oh, and you know, for both these teams, ang gusto mo ikaw yung makakuha ng advantage eh.
Yes.
To get ahead with by winning 2 sets.
4 touches, no?
Oh, 4 touches called on Team Senate. Hindi pumasok to hit the tape of the net. Didn't hit the blockers on the other side.
And that expression of Coach Roger captured on your screen says it all.
Not gonna help. Poor passing, poor reception from Team Senate.
And don't look now, we are tied at 10. Leading the attack on one side for BFP is AJ. Another good serve from AJ.
Is a tough serve to receive.
At dikit na ang kilay ni Coach Roger. Humingi siya ng timeout. Ito, pakinggan natin to.
Anong ginaabangan mo dun? O yan, ngayon magtuturoan kayong dalawa. May Arturo 1, Arturo 2 dito. Ayun na nare-receive ka. Kunin mo na yung reception doon. Ikaw naman, Pam, libero ka dyan. pumasok ka ng kaunti, ba't ka nandun sa kaduluduluhan? Babagsak talaga yung bola dyan. Napakasimpleng bola. Sunod-sunod lang yan, no? Error natin. No? Kunin nyo na. Pagtsagaan nyo. Kung mananakaw mo yung reception, nakawin mo na. Kung hindi naman, kunin mo na Menchik. Huwag masyadong idikit yung bola sa net.
Yung gitna, bukas na bukas. Kunin nila yung first one. Mabigat yung first one. Kaya niyo yun, kaya niyo yun.
Pumasok na kayo kami ni Ate Pam sa dalawa.
Pasok ka siya. One, set!
So in case mali yung rinig ng ating mga viewers, wala pong male teammate ang Senado. Si Arturo 1 at si Arturo 2 ay non-existent po yan.
Yung mga punchline na initay natin galing kay Coach Roger Kasi galit na siya pero nakukuha pa niyang mag-comedy
And then kidding aside, you mentioned this. We were talking about this sa top of the coverage. Diba, huwag kang maging selfless. Kunin mo, huwag mong ituro siya or siya, akin na yan.
Oo, diba? It all boils down also to the communication, diba? Dahil syempre kung aakuin mo yung ball, sabi mo mine.
Oo.
Aakuin mo talaga siya, lalo kung ikaw yung nasa pwesto.
Ganda naman ang ginawa doon ni Osmilio. Just pretending to get it. But not really. Oh? Nailang yung defender doon. Lamang ng isang BFP 12-11. And again, responding to the call of Coach Roger, stepping up to the plate is Tubiera.
And narinig natin kanina sabi ni Coach Roger, Menchie, kunin mo na. So now, this is where we see people really stepping up.
Adolfo with that authoritative hit.
Si Adolfo, nabanggit din natin yan kanina. No? Mamaya tingnan natin yung kanyang numbers. But she is also one of those that have been scoring para dito sa BFP.
And these are regular employees, no?
Yes, oo. Diba? Actually, yun yung balance na maganda nakikita natin sa BFP. Really, everyone is active in the game and really contributes.
You highlighted this a few, like a minute and a half ago.
And Adolfo, actually, now the numbers are here, no? Double digit, 10 points. But again, it's not just about the scoring. Pag pinag-uusapan natin, contribution. Of course, us here on the panel, we mention yung kanilang puntos. But there are other things that also matter in a game. Yung mga non-scoring skills nila, yung depensa, yung passing, all of those are also as important.
Minsan nga, yung presensya mo lang sa net para mag-iba yung palo ng kalaban, diba?
Threat at the net, diba? Yung medyo maaalangan sila ng konti.
Di mo tinamaan, pero dahil ibinaling yung tira, outside. 15-12 ang BFP. Abante na ng 4 na ito. Dahil kay Adolfo again. Matangkad, mahaba ang kamay, ginamit ang mga daliri na.
Oh, and very quick reaction there from Adolfo. Now on her 11th point in this match.
That slight push of the fingertips changes the trajectory, the movement of the ball. And again, who was at the center of the attack? It was Adolfo.
Very consistent right there at the net. I think yung naging problema din dun sa side ng Senate, nung bumalik yung bola, akala ni si Menchie, akala niya parang siguro, pero wala pang pito. So, tumigil siya, tumalikod siya.
Dana, may balita ka ulit sa amin. Go ahead.
Chiki Anan, kanina ay nakita natin ang second setter na si Jaja Kainglet mula sa BFP. So galing pala siyang Negros Occidental at isa sa mga naging inspirasyon niya sa pagpasok sa BFP ay ang kanyang yumaong lolo. Nabanggit niya na bukod sa pag-prevent or pagpatay ng mga sunog, ang BFP ay rumeresponde din para sa mga rescue at first aid. Kaya naman, kanyang laking tuwa ng kinailangan ng tulong ng kanyang lolo ay siya ay nakapag-responde dahil sa mga kaalaman na natutunan niya sa BFP. Ngayon naman ay masaya rin siya na bukod sa pagtulong sa kapwa ay patuloy pa rin niyang naipapakita ang kanyang galing sa pagsaset at pagbavolleyball dahil sa UVL. Balik sa inyo.
Very nice. Well, react on that report on Jaja. Meantime, let's listen in.
Mahaba pa yung labanan eh. Huwag siyang panggigilan eh. Padaanin mo lang sa ibabaw yung bola. Mataas ka naman doon sa isang bablakin mo eh. Papaluan mo eh. Tulong lang kayo sa depensa, may angat.
Hindi pa ito. Mahaba pa yan.
So no panic button yet for Coach Roger. Meantime, balikan natin yung na-report ni Dana kanina. That's nice, no? Si Jaja. Yung hindi lang pagpatay para ng sunog. Dagdag kaalaman ito, ha? Sa mga viewers natin. But rescue and helping, di ba? More than firefighting. Yan ang mga pwedeng bit-bit ng ating mga firefighters.
Oh, actually very admirable, no?
Yes.
So much respect actually for these ladies. Again, we see them playing here today. Ang di natin nakikita yung kanilang day-to-day.
Totoo yun. Yung pag-Lunes hanggang Biyernes, behind the desk, inside the truck, diba? Or helping their fellow firefighters. Sa kabila naman, yung mga sa Senado, ganun din. May mga trabaho din yan. Balik sa mga nakaputi. They're down by 6. They need this point. Diaz makes it 19-12.
Gising na gising dahil nga ginising nga ni Coach kanina. Sabi niya, konting ano naman dyan, konting buhay. Kailangan na hindi tense. Gising na gising ang kanilang mga players ngayon. But consistency is key. Dahil tama rin si Coach Roger, no? Hindi pa naman tapos itong set na to. Kaya pa yung habulin.
Now the lead is at 6. Now 13 serving 19. Sabas, the hot hand in the early goings of the match. Tingnan natin kung ma-activate ulit siya. Balik sa orange shirts. Adolfo hinanap ang likod. It's out. So kung ikaw naman ang lady firefighter, so lamang ka ng 5. Pero yung mga ganitong pagkakataon, ayaw mo na itong makawala sa mga daliri mo.
Gusto mong manigurado. Gusto mong, you know, apart from just winning the set, the manner at which you win, very important yan eh. Because yung confidence ba na ipanalo ko itong set na to convincingly.
There's something about that 20-point mark, ano, kung ikaw yung naghahabol. Titignan mo, 6 lang to eh. Sabihin mo sa Fair the Senate. Pero alam mo, yung kalaban mo, 5 na lang. Hindi ka pwede makipagpalitan lang dito. Let's see if BFP could hang on to this 6-point lead and increase it. Parang hindi inaasahan nila AJ yun, ano?
It was not the best ways to score a point. May halong yung holding your breath. Ay, naku, sana pumasok ito, but still a point.
I read the lips of Coach Roger. Bakit hindi mo pinalo? Yun yung inquiry niya.
Oo, kasi regalo na yun eh.
Cecilio. Back to the orange shirts, Diaz. Ito ulit, setup job. And delivering from the side of BFP was Gang Abellana. Nahanap na ng lady firefighters yung groove nila.
Oo, tama.
Oh, we got Kath Villegas watching for the Senate. Loaded din tayo dito sa ating spectators. Meantime, Cecilio. Ito ulit si Gang. And she is gagging up here on the lady defenders.
And makikita mo rin yung kanilang distribution. If there's hot hands, sige, bigay natin doon. And they are racking those points in dito sa third set.
23-14. Awesome first ball, Diaz. Again, it started with Hills. Alam mo si Hills delivering on the service area. Tapos, sa first ball, tumutulong din siya.
Tama. At itong BFP ngayon, really celebrating 15 attack points already, 3 aces. And as I said that, dun sila service error. Pero, maganda yung kanilang naipakita dito sa set number 3.
Si Hills talaga, nung binanggit kong maganda.
Ganun talaga, no? Why? We just want to, gusto lang natin naman purihin ang kanilang maganda.
Hills, sorry hindi namin ulitin mamaya yan. Okay, 24-15, biro lang po. Ito na ang Senado. Kailangan nila si Cecilio. Sa kabila naman, will it be Gang to close it?
Ooh.
Yes. And Abellana makes it 25-15 in favor of BFP here in the crucial set number 3, Ann.
But, this is a much better performance that we've seen from BFP. Kita natin na mas may confidence sa kanilang galaw at pagkapanalo.
25-15. Once again, yan yung ating score in set number 3. And Gang Abellana led the attack here in the latter part of this set to make it 2-1 in favor of the Lady Firefighters. We'll take a quick break. Pagbalik po namin ni Ann, set number 4.
Sa mga sunog.
Ito ulit. Set. Third set, 23 minutes only, 25-15 na napunta yan sa BFP Lady Firefighters. So nag-alternate na tayo dito, no? And 1 and 3, it went away for BFP.
Yes, but for BFP, I think sila medyo matutuwa rin siguro sila dun sa nakita nilang performance in that previous set. Naka-recover pagdating sa kanilang opensa now. Double-digit 16 points. Pero ang pinakamaganda rito, naibaba nila yung kanilang giveaway points, yung errors. Makikita natin 5 lang ang naipamigay nila. Whereas the Senate Lady Defenders naman, bumalik sila sa naging problema nila in the earlier set. We did mention how in the first set, they only scored 9 attack points. Yeah. And, that was what changed in the second set for them. Nagka-14 attack points sila, kaya rin siguro nakuha nila yung panalo. So, I think consistency is something that we will be watching out for, for not just for Team Senate, actually for both teams. Sa ngayon, importante sa BFP na makuha itong set na to so that they don't extend to 5. Meanwhile, Senate, of course, will take their chance. Hopefully, makasungkit ng isa pa.
Alam mo yung correct me if I'm wrong, nung set number 3, ang napansin ko, while Cecilio and Tubiera were trying their, giving their hearts out, trying to score, yung kawalan ni Javen Sabas in set number 3. Probably one reason why the attacks dipped down to 9 again, di ba?
That is on point, actually, really on point. Kaya rin siguro ibinalik siya nung latter part, nung third set.
At kung ikaw si Coach Roger, you're down by 1 set. Ito na, all out na tayo dito.
But that's exactly what BFP we anticipate will do. All out sila dito dahil dito sa ating game, while syempre you have that chance for a 5th set, yung fatigue will really already come into play. Again, we mean no disrespect dun sa mga players, pero syempre, kung if youth is there, you know that you can sustain the energy. Pero dito talaga, kanina nga nakikita na rin natin yung hingal. So pag umabot yan ng 5th set, hindi lang to yung katawan, yung mind. It will be it will be a mind game also kasi patibayan na yan.
Tama ka, apart from the conditioning, i-factor in mo yung edad. Totoo yun. And if you're on the side of BFP, you want to cut the head of the snake here in set number 4. Otherwise, pag tumabla ito, slight momentum will be on the side of yung naghahabol. Tabla tayo 1-all. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Mosmilio, set up job for Gang. Chance ball. Balik kay Gang ulit. Try to go with a soft one. Sabas was there. Kaninong setup? Kay Javen. Oh, this is a long rally here.
One of the longest that we've seen for this game.
Back to the orange shirts. Diaz. Cecilio. Ooh! Munti ka nang hindi magka-ayos doon ng orange shirts. Again. Something has got to give. At yun na nga.
Naghintayan sino muna magkakamali. But, you know, one of the longest rallies, they just needed to be steady. But that hit from Adolfo.
Doon lang no? Hinabol ni Sheila ng one hand yung bola. Score natin 2-1 in favor of the Lady Firefighters. Hindi na. Tabla na tayo. 2-all.
Both teams actually no room to relax.
It's now gonna be Sabas who will be on deck to serve here for the Senate. Ganda ng serve.
Yan ang kailangan nila. No? Serve na may karga. Really challenge the first ball mula dito sa BFP.
Tsaka magandang pride factor yun pag tina-target mo yung libero nung kabila. Tapos hindi makakuha yung first ball, di ba?
Usually nga libero iiwasan, ano? Pero dahil sa karga nung kanyang serve.
Oo
nahirapan din sila.
3-2 pabor sa Senado. Cecilio. AJ. Again, this might be a long rally here at the rate we're going, but I spoke too soon.
Masyadong tusok, mabilis yung hatid ng bola para kay Diaz, too close to the net.
Siyempre, tinatimingan mo rin na hindi ka tatama dun sa net.
Plus yung ano dyan, because may momentum ka going forward. Kailangan, you need that break foot. Sinubukan ni Diaz.
Single coverage by AJ. Balik sa openso siya. This time they go to Gang. Galing nila on that first ball. And it drops in.
Lost. It got lost over there, in terms of yung... look at that. Akala niya lalabas na She didn't realize where she was on the court.
Kasi tama ka, may malaking espasyo pa
Oo.
Mali lang ang basa. Service error by Sabas the few times that we have seen her make a mistake. Sabay tingin kay Coach Roger.
Sabi niya, Coach, naka 20 points na ako sa larong ito. Please, tao lang po.
Pero pag mataas ang tingin talaga sa'yo ng coach, you're as good as your last point.
Yes.
Diba? Yung pressure sa'yo dahil ikaw ang A-player Dili-dili. Sabi, akin na yan. Cecilio hits it. Cecilio again. Over the outstretched arms of AJ. Veteran move.
Oo, that's a really good placement by Cecilio.
Kung pinalo niya kasi yun, chances are blocked yun.
Blocked or may dedepensa sa likod. But yun, talaga bukas na bukas yung likod ng blocker. And a check called on that hit from Abellana.
So, check ball. Si first referee Joy had to remind Senate sa kabilang bola. 4 serving 6. Good serve there by Abellana. Ano yan? Mababa yung palo ni Sheila.
Oo, parang hindi talaga mag-clear, no? We saw how that went straight to the net.
Well, the serve rest here for Cecilio. Si Menchi munang papalit sa kanya. Samantala, Abellana still on deck to serve here for the Lady Firefighters.
Ooh.
Ganun din.
Oo. Looked like a good skip. Pero yun nga, fell short. Again, depende kung nasang area ka ng court, no? Yung clearance at yung taas ng angulo.
Ay, yung pala tawag doon, no? I would see that yung skip.
In that case kasi hindi siya full approach.
But, I'm always a fan of that kasi parang ang ganda panoorin.
But normally, no, most of the players, of course, would like yung talagang full approach because it allows you yung the power also. You wind up your arm.
Buhay pa ang bola, 7-6. Senado lamang ng isa. Hindi na. Tabla na tayo sa 7.
Adolfo, 16 points.
Wow.
Dito sa larong ito. All from her attacks.
Silang dalawa ni AJ, ano? Tag-16. Yes. Tapos, si Tony Diaz contributing 13.
Yes. Actually, ang daming double digits. Andiyan pa si Abellana, no? With 12.
Oh, 4 na yun. 7-all. Hosmilio, set up job here. Alam mo, hindi pa natin na isasama sa kwentuhan madalas si Bentic, ano?
Oo. That is Bentic's 3rd point. That was a really clean attack right there.
Dana, anong balita dyan?
Chiki, the Senate Lady Defenders were challenged in terms of defense coming from the 3rd set. Before entering the 4th set, team captain Dili mentioned to her team na onting sipag pa. Kaya natin yan and focus on their receive. Now let's see if this can translate to the game, if they can continue to bounce back against BFP. Back to you.
Thank you, Dana. You'd love to have your captain in a crucial set dahil yan ang pwedeng maging glue gun. Put things together for you.
Pero yung reminder sa sipag, ano, talagang very, very important. Pag sinabi nating sipag, yan talaga not letting any ball fall on the ground kung galing sa kalaban. And kung sila naman yung umu-opensa, yung pagka-agresibo ba ng kanilang opensa, kailangan really convincing points.
Kadalasan, pag ganito, kadikit yung laro, doon nagkakatalo eh. You know, those small things, the extra step, the extra dive. 9-8 in favor of the ladies in orange. Nasa may net, Rigado. Sabi ni Adolfo, akin na yan.
I really like that decision she made. Ano? Coming from that strong hit, nakita niya yung balik mataas. Ang sarap paluin, pero she opted for that drop dahil nakita niya hindi makukuha. Umaatras yung mga tao eh.
Nag-aabang na, no?
Nag-aabang ng palo, naisip niya, drop ko na lang to.
And again, decision making.
Yes. But you know, it all happened so fast. That is something that's not easy also.
In mid-air, yun eh. Sabas, kinakargahan na yung mga palo. Will they go Jamin again? Yes, they do. This time, soft touch. At na hindi kinatuwa ni Coach Roger. Gusto niya madiin. Tulad nun. Pabalik lang yan sa orange shirts. Hosmilio. Again, one more try here for Jamin. Dili was there. Ooh, sayang.
Good effort by Sabas as well. Keep the ball up.
Now, if you're the Senate, you have to be very careful at this precarious situation now dahil, malayo pa. Pero parang under the radar, lumalayo tong BFP, ano?
And you see somehow that the momentum is really on the side of BFP also right now. Dahil everyone on the floor really with a contribution.
Pakinggan natin si Coach Roger.
Ganon, nakatalikod siya eh. Isit mo, pag binla ka, di overreaching pa siya. Kasi alam niya, katalikod ka dun sa bola. Pag nablock ka, hindi ka talaga makaka-react. Kaya yung dalawa, naghahabulan yung apat na kakampi nyo. Kayong dalawa, nanonood. Eh, bumalik yung bola. Papunta dyan sa'yo. Wala na, walang mag-o-over. Suportahan nyo. Suportahan nyo yung mga kasama nyo. Naghahabol, habol din kayo. Ganyan talaga eh. Hindi natin masabi kung makukuha o hindi. Katulad nun, naitaas. Huwag nyo hayaan lumaki pa yung lamang nila, ha? Puntusan na natin, ha? Sige.
Isang magandang receive lang. Ulit, isang magandang receive. Tapos, paano tayo ng maganda? Bigay natin ng maganda kay Ja, okay? Malayo ba yan, ha? Malayo ba yan, ha? One, send it!
You heard those words of Coach Roger, ano, ha? Apat, tumatakbo yung dalawa, sumama kayo. Kasi you'll never know. Naiangat nga yung bola.
Oo, tama naman. But yun nga because it's effort wasted also. Sayang. But sa ngayon, tingnan, again, ang maganda is, nakikita natin sa larong to, after sa model, may mga magandang response, no?
Yes.
From the players. Tingnan natin if Sabas this time can get them that point, and she does.
Now that's dangerous if you're on the side of BFP. Think set number 2 when Javen was all over the court.
And talaga, no, totoong-totoo. Any sport, hindi ka pwede mag-relax. You always have to ensure, no, na consistent tulad nitong pinapakita sa atin ni Adolfo. Parang nagmamadali.
Parang dapat diin yung emphasis mo sa second syllable doon nung pagkapalo dahil...
Nagulat tayo eh. Nagsasabi, biglang,
sakto eh.
Sakto, diba?
Sakto to your point.
Yes.
13 serving 9. It's an ace.
That one falls within the line according to our lines judge.
At yung sigh of relief na nakita ko sa mukha ni Vance, parang, ay, buti na lang pumalso.
Kasi pakanan yung kanyang serve. Now, she aims for the middle.
Back to the Lady Firefighters. They go to Adolfo. Sinalba yun ni Sabas. Gang looking for that corner pocket.
You know what we're seeing from BFP right now is a more organized play. Nakikita natin meron na silang talaga. There's that pattern that they follow. They raise the first ball, tataas nila. Merong pinaiikot, no? Hindi pinaiikot, pero ginagamit lahat ng tao na nasa front line. All of them are active. They play a role with offense.
And it's hard to guess sino yung papalo. Lumayo na ito. And at 7.8 for BFP, 16-9.
Very confident body language as well of BFP here in this set.
Hahabulin ni Gang. Uy, nahabol. Naibalik sa Senate. But Sabas will not be denied.
She knows there's a blocker, so talagang kita mo yung angulo, no? Made sure she will get that point off the block.
And we'll also make sure that we hear from Dana. Dana, go ahead.
Chigi, before the game, nabanggit ni Coach Franz na tatlong C ang meron ng BFP. Ito ay ang connection, coordination at chemistry. Kaya naman proud na proud siya sa pinakita ng kanyang team last set. At ngayon naman ay in-encourage niya ang team na to pull away and to get the fourth set. Now back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Dana. Coordination yung key takeaway ko. Kasi ikaw na nag-mention, Ann, very orchestrated na ngayon, yung point of attack nila.
Ngayon, makikita mo, very fluid yung kanilang galaw. They don't second guess, you know what would be the next step they will do.
And although that hit sailed out or went out for Gang, yun yung ano eh, pag kay Gang pumupunta, kadalasan kino-cross court niya. Pag napunta naman kay Adolfo, sa gitna naman niya binibitawan. 17-11. Lady Firefighters up by 6. So that was a low hit from AJ.
Sa take-off pa lang, alanganin na itong si AJ.
So pwede pa ito para sa Lady Defenders. Only down by 5 points. AJ, this time she made sure.
You also gotta give credit to the distribution. Siya yung nag-error prior. But you see, the setters, itong si Josmilio, gusto niya mag-gain back yung confidence agad. So yung pagbawi, after that play, binigay ulit niya kay AJ and AJ scores that point.
Gusto ko yung ganong teammate. Yung binibigyan ka ng pagkakataon makabawi. Kasi minsan, di ba, pag, let's say, di ka masyadong gamit na player, tapos nagkamali ka, bibit-bitin mo yun.
Oo.
Buong laro.
But, ito nga, siguro yung sinasabi ni Dana kanina, yung connection, yung coordination, yung chemistry. Tama naman yung kanilang 3 C's.
Tatlo yun. Galing kay Coach Franz. And look at the score now. Back to a 6-point lead for BFP. Malambot yung approach na yun, but it worked well for Bentic. (19-13) ladies in orange up by 6. Subukan natin makinig ulit kay Coach Roger.
Katulad nung tumama, the please. Nabagsak talaga yung bola dyan. Ang sinasabi ko kanina, andito yung block. Bumablock yung kakampi mo rito. Bumablock siya. Yung kalaban mo, dito na nakaharap. So dito na papunta yung palo. Pero ikaw, dito ka nakatayo. Talikod nito. Hindi mo talaga madidepensahan yan. Iwasan nyo, ang hirap patayan ng bola kasi lahat sila marunong eh. Talagang pagtsatsagaan nyo yan. Mahabaan nyo yung pasensya nyo. Palo kaliwa, palo kanan, palo gitna. Tsaga-tsagaan nyo, Menchi. Nilalaglagan lang tayo eh.
Kapit, malayo pa. Kapit tayo sa isa-isa lang. Sa isa lang tayo. Habol natin yan.
Puntos nito ya, puntos nito.
Sipag lang, sipag ha. Kilos, hakbang.
Kilos ha.
Ay na.
One, set. Bigay lahat ha, bigay lahat.
Tama ba yung narinig ko? Puntos ngiti. Di ba?
Oo.
Parang yun eh. Celebrate that point.
But that's also true dahil yung pag sineselebrate mo yung puntos, nakakadala yun yung energy, yung nawawala rin yung pagka-tense.
Hindi bumibigat yung balikat.
Yes.
Tingnan natin kung makascore sila at kung ngingiti sila. Talking about the Senate Lady Defenders. Nasa kanilang bola. Not really the best second ball. Chance for the orange shirts to score. They failed to do so. Bentic. Josmilio. This time going to AJ to the back. And it's good.
Sabi niya, ay, dumaples, pero still okay. Pasok pa rin sa linya.
Sabi nga nila, I think we pointed this out. Miss-hit na kung miss-hit, pero if it goes inside those 4 lines, tanggapin pa rin.
Yes.
Ginawa ng paraan ni Menchi yun. And they're still in the match here, only down by 6. Captain Dili Dili serving for the ladies in white. Again, pag ang net ang iyong kakampi.
Oh, pero parang yung kanina nung pinapanood dati, parang na slow motion yung bola no? Habang gumugulong dun sa, sa tape ng net. At naka-freeze din yung mga tao dito sa side ng Senate.
I mean, you gotta give credit to Sinday trying to dive for that ball. Pero tama ka eh. No? Kailan ba ito babagsak? Tutulay lang ba ito? 21-14 in favor of BFP. And again, nakakuha ng punto dito ang Senado. They're down by 6. They are still in the match. Crucial service here for Menchie. Good serve. And that will be a point for BFP. At hindi nagustuhan ni Coach Roger yun. (22-15). Alam mo yung window of opportunity and parang lumiliit for the Senate.
Oh, actually, as they let things pass, lumalaki yung kalamangan at this is a good rotation. As we were saying, itong si Sabas, hopefully siya yung pipigil. We will allow Senate to keep it closer with BFP.
Atake ng mga Lady Firefighters. Balik sa Senado. They go to Javen. One more time for the ladies in white. And they deliver.
That dig was too low. Too tough to handle.
Not the prettiest of points, but a point nonetheless.
Yes, and ang importante, sinasabi nga natin, what matters is yung maididikit ng Team Senate ang kanilang puntos kontra sa BFP.
Para mag-iba lang yung complexion. And yung communication dito na ngayon ang nagkukulang, I think, in the Senate.
Yeah, and they have to be more organized, lalo na rin sa mga posisyon at pwestuhan para hindi mag-aagawan.
23 serving 17. Good serve there by Jen. At walang coverage masyado dun sa likod ni Sabas. Only Lai was there.
And, kita natin, talagang really focused at the net itong si Pentic and Adolfo.
Match point na ito for BFP. Not yet, sabi ng Senate, we're still alive. Can they close it with this one?
Oh.
Ay. Coach Franz, napatawa na lang. Kaya maganda pag may naipundar ka, may luxury ka ng kaunti.
Oo, pero dito ngayon talagang dapat flawless game from Team Senate on side of BFP. Isang panapos lang ang kanilang kailangan.
Ito yung pagkakataon nila. Can they close it out? Can they close it out? They do! With Adolfo saying, thank you for that gift.
What a way to close the set to end this match. Such a convincing point there for Adolfo.
25-18 ang ating final score here in set number 4. And nawala, yung kagat nung laro nung Senate that we saw in set number 2.
Yes, but I think also giving credit dun sa kilos din at ginalaw nitong BFP, really activating everyone on the court. Kaya nahirapan din ang Team Senate.
At ang ating best player, sino napili mo, Ann?
She did end this game with such a convincing point right on cue.
Diba?
Diba? So, ating best player, of course, itong si Adolfo. Really great contribution and great performance today.